Hello my friends, welcome to the channel. This is Chris and I have a very special surprise for you. Today we're going to be talking about the collectible of the year 2021. This is one of the rarest Zippos out there. It's only 5,000 made. And this particular one is going to be going to my personal collection. We are lucky if we're going to see another one in my store. So if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, because we're gonna be doing a giveaway when we reach 1,000 subscribers. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video, and leave me a comment below to let me know what you think about the lighter, what you want to see in the future, and how we can improve this channel. It would be great to have your feedback. Also hit that bell notification button so you can get any new upload that we do. Let's jump right into this cool lighter. So as we can see, the outer cardboard box, it's a pretty cool design. The item number is 49500. 2021 collectible of the year, Americas. We know this lighter is special because even in the outer box, it has a pattern all around in the inside. Let's take the inner box outside. As you can see, the pattern goes all through this outer box. So the inner box here, it's engraved as well. It gets more attention to the detail. Salute 100 years of Art Deco. We go a little bit back here. In the back, there's a small story. You can pause it and read it if you want. The main points is a 360 laser engraved lighter. It has selective gold plating, and it has a crystal emblem. On the lid, in the inside, we can see the genuine Zippo product, and it has a very long number here. This is kind of like a authenticity card. I won't call it that because it doesn't have any serial number or anything extra. It just tells you your collectible of the year has a golden Sato Swarovski crystal. Only 5,000 lighters featuring this kite-shaped crystal were produced. This is a manual like any other Zippos. And there she is. As you notice, it has mirror windows on the side, so you can see the side of the lighter without even taking it out. Swarovski crystal card there. This one is number 4678 out of 5,000. Engraved all around. 2021. You can see the crystal is a fair size. Even the camera doesn't do too much justice. You can see the cut on this crystal is amazing. Let's open it here. The insert is kind of like a gold finish. It's a 2021. Of course, I never use my collectible lighters. It's a very tight fit. The traditional sound. The best things that Zippo does, they never put the stickers on the lighter, especially in this price range. I hate when they do it in the regular ones, because everything can stay like this. They do it so people don't play with them when they're brand new, but that takes away the fun. As I explained, this lighter is in the 2021 Collectible of the Year, and you can find it in the Zippo catalog, the 2021 Zippo catalog. These catalogs, it's for the retailers, and this one is in the first page. It's $199.95 Canadian dollars, and then inside we can read a little bit more about this lighter. If you want, again, you can pause and read the story, get some more amazing information about this lighter. So leave me a comment to tell me what you think. Thank you everybody for watching. God bless everybody and your families. Nice to have you back. See you soon.